Are you looking as home fitness gains momentum? The demand for affordable yet reliable treadmills is soaring. Treadmills under $1,000 offer an excellent balance for beginners and enthusiasts seeking quality workouts without breaking the bank. This guide evaluates key features such as motor power, build quality, weight capacity, portability, and additional functions to help you find the list number. Walking pad treadmill with handlebar, 3.0 HP foldable treadmills, 300 lbs capacity folding walking pad. The walking pad treadmill with handlebar stands out for its impressive 3.0 HP motor and sturdy design capable of supporting up to 300 pounds. Its foldable frame makes it a perfect fit for small spaces, combining convenience with robust build quality. The added handlebar enhances safety and stability during workouts, ideal for beginners or those who want extra support. Quiet operation and smooth belt movement ensure an enjoyable walking or jogging experience. With easy fold and store functionality, this treadmill is a top choice for those looking to maximize home fitness without new Sparax walking vibration pad with app 3-in-1 under desk treadmill. 2.5 HP low noise walking treadmill pad. The Sparax walking vibration pad offers a versatile 3-in-1 design, combining treadmill walking, vibration massage, and app connectivity for a holistic fitness approach. Powered by a 2.5 HP motor, it maintains a low noise profile perfect for office use or quiet home environments. Its compact, under-desk friendly design allows users to stay active during work hours. The intuitive app sync tracks workout data and customizes speed settings, enhancing motivation and usability. Lightweight yet durable, this treadmill pad merges modern technology with practicality. List number. Walking pad treadmill. Anylife incline walking pads under desk, 330 pounds capacity, 2.5 HP portable treadmills for home. Anylife's incline walking pad is tailored for users wanting a more challenging walk or light jog with its adjustable incline feature. It supports a generous 330 pounds capacity, powered by a reliable 2.5 HP motor, ensuring smooth performance and longevity. Its portable design is perfect for home or office settings, fitting comfortably under desks. The foldable mechanism combined with a robust frame offers excellent value, accommodating various fitness levels. This treadmill is perfect for those prioritizing incline workouts and portability in one compact machine. List number. Under desk treadmill. Walking pad for home and office. 2.5 HP portable walking, jogging, running machine designed for seamless integration into workspaces. This under-desk treadmill boasts a 2.5 HP motor and a compact, minimalist design that fits easily under desks. It caters to walking, jogging, and light running, offering versatile workout options. The machine is lightweight and easy to fold for storage, with noise reduction features, making it ideal for quiet environments. Its durable build supports users looking to incorporate fitness into daily routines without disrupting work or home life. An excellent choice for those seeking efficiency and convenience on a budget. List number 5. Walking pad treadmill. Under-desk treadmill for home and office with remote control. This walking pad treadmill combines practicality and modern control with its included remote, allowing easy speed adjustments without interrupting your stride. With a strong 2.5 HP motor and solid frame, it supports consistent walking or jogging workouts suitable for home and office use. The compact, foldable design maximizes space efficiency, while the quiet motor ensures minimal noise disturbance. Its remote control feature adds a layer of user-friendliness uncommon in this price range, making it a standout option for budget-conscious buyers seeking convenience and functionality.